A sounds with these sentences. Also think about intonation. Which words are stressed, where I naturally pause between phrases, and reducing those little words, words like and, for, and to. Let's get started. Repeat the sentences. We have only 3 days to develop the platform for our project. We need a strong game plan. Jack has created our framework so that the project matches the company's brand. Sheila, you can keep us on track by creating a graph of our assets and daily status. Jason, you're in charge of gauging any faulty steps and monitoring our standards. Alice, Carl, and Ben, you're in charge of dynamic program development. Always remember that the program should create no hassles for the consumer. It should generate valuable traffic. As the authors of this project, we need to access a broad range of users. This range should be plausible but ambitious. Do we need more time to brainstorm? Great! Let's be ready to launch on Thursday. Okay, that completes our practice with the A sounds in sentences.